Oh, what you're witnessing here is a severe thunderstorm. Well, basically in July. I mean, not July, October. It's rare to have thunderstorms in the Midwest in October. Just take a look at this. We got heavy rain, slight thunder showers, all that stuff. And you guys saw that lightning strike. Oh my. Those are hella lightning strikes. Should I just check on the weather channel right now? Even though I have a very badly hurt foot. Why? Because I don't know. Oh my goodness. Kirby. Kirby. Hello. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers, Kirby. Who's watching this IRL. I think I might film like a 2-hour time lapse. Just hear that. Rain has calmed down. Not anymore. I feel raindrops. Oh my god, did any of you guys caught that on camera? When there's rain, there's thunder. Again, when there's rain, there's thunder. Hold up. Turn on the light. You can see my reflection. Should I film a 2-hour time lapse and also make sure to like, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell for any updates, and goodbye.